We know movies can move us, but documentaries are a bit different. They can also inform while they inspire, and that includes films about issues faced by older adults. Marianne Ponce is the founder of the Chagrin Falls Documentary Film Festival, and she's here to share some coming attractions, especially for seniors. So welcome to the show.
Thank you.
You got a lot of great films at the festival, but one that stands out is about Alzheimer's, right? I think it really gives people hope. I've heard great things about it. So tell us about that movie.
Yes, Larry, we have a wonderful award-winning film called Alive Inside, and it's about the power of music to really help people who are suffering from dementia.
Okay. And that is a big part of therapy now, right?
Absolutely. So it follows a social worker who's discovered that patients specifically with Alzheimer's really can make tremendous progress when they listen to music, and it touches a part in their brain that really brings something alive.
All right. And does a documentary follow particular patients and their families?
Yes, it does. Yes, it does. It's just a beautifully done film, and I found when I was watching it, I didn't want it to end.
Oh.
It was so inspiring.
Wow. Sounds like something we should see.
Yes.
Now, there's another film for about older adults, or for older adults. It's, even though anyone can probably relate to it, right? It's, what is it called? Do You Believe in Love? So what is that about?
Well, Do You Believe in Love comes to us from an Israeli filmmaker, and it follows a woman, her name is Tova, and she herself has muscular dystrophy, but Tova is a matchmaker who specifically makes matches for people with disabilities.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
That's got to be rewarding for her. So
Yes.
what is she like in this?
She is just a character, very witty and quite a sense of humor, and she herself has made over 500 matches for people with disabilities.
Amazing. Yeah.
The film follows her family and Tova and some of the matches that she's making, and it's funny and just charming.
Good. And love is for everybody, right?
Love is for everybody.
So we've mentioned two of the movies. They're very varied in their content. What other topics do you have in this festival?
Oh my goodness, we have such a wide range of topics. Everything from, we have a film about clowning, we have a film called Hava Nagila, the movie, that's about the history of the song. And we'll have a klezmer band performing following that.
Does everybody
film.
get to dance too?
Absolutely. We hope everybody gets up and dances. So we have around 70 films from 20 countries this year that will be featured throughout the festival.
How do you choose which ones make it?
We have quite a long process that we begin many months before the festival, and we have about 30 people that are involved in choosing from we had around 400 films.
Oh boy.
And from those films we chose 70 great films.
The top ones. All right. So you've given us a little sneak preview by telling us about a couple of the films, but tell us the details of when we can actually watch these films.
Well, come to Chagrin Falls starting Wednesday, October 8th through Sunday, October 12th. And we have 10 venues in and around Chagrin Falls, and a lot of activities and panels and discussions to go with those films.
To really bring it home to everybody.
Yes.
All right. And I understand information is on your website as well.
Yes, our website is chagrinfilmfest.org.
Okay.
And the schedule will be posted by the end of August, and tickets on sale starting September 1st.
Excellent, excellent.
Yeah.
So many films, so little time. You'll be informed and entertained. So give this festival top billing on your schedule. Use the information that's coming up next. We give Marianne 2 thumbs up for joining us.
Find out more about the Chagrin Falls Documentary Film Festival by calling 440-247-1591 or log on to www.chagrinfilmfest.org. Next, marrying later in life? You'd better watch our next segment.